Welcome to our video, Sell with a Registered Brand, an Unregistered Brand, or Generic Products. In general, Amazon sellers either resell items or sell products that they own. When a seller resells, they're listing an item they've sourced, usually from a manufacturer or other supplier. When a seller sells a product they own, they're the original manufacturer or supplier of that product. Or they're someone authorized by the original owner to list in the Amazon store as the product owner. If you own a product, you'll sell it in the Amazon store in one of three ways: with a registered brand, by requesting use of an unregistered brand, or generically. Let's review each of these selling methods in detail. You'll want to know if and when to use each one because that impacts how you list a product in Seller Central and which Amazon selling benefits and protection tools you're eligible to activate. We recommend product owners sell with a registered brand whenever possible. That's a brand that's been enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry. To enroll, you need to meet two basic requirements. You need a brand name or a logo that includes your brand name, permanently affixed to your products or packaging. You also need at least one active registered trademark for your brand name or logo, or a pending trademark application or registration in some cases. Your trademark, whether active or pending, needs to be issued by the designated government office of a country with a corresponding Amazon store. As a reminder, here's the full list. In the U.S., for example, trademarks for brand names and logos are issued by the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO. For more information about trademarking, see our Seller University video, Register a Trademark for Your Brand. If your brand meets the requirements for enrollment with Brand Registry, you can start the process anytime. You'll begin by creating a Brand Registry account using the credentials associated with your Seller Central account. Then you'll complete the Enroll Your Brand form to submit your brand name and the trademark number you obtained from the designated government office. We use that number to verify that you're the rights owner for the trademark. You'll also use the Enroll Your Brand form to submit images that clearly show your brand name or logo permanently affixed to your products or packaging, a list of categories your products should be listed in, and other information about your selling account and operations. For step-by-step enrollment instructions, see our Seller University video, Enroll Your Brand in Amazon Brand Registry. After a brand's enrollment is approved, it enjoys a variety of benefits. One of the most significant is that only 3 types of sellers can use our standard listing processes to create new product detail pages for the brand: the original rights owner who enrolled the brand, other sellers internal to the brand, and resellers who have been associated with the brand. These sellers can use the brand name field to select or enter the brand name during the listing process. Any updates that these 3 types of sellers suggest to the brand's existing product detail pages are also given preference over suggestions from other sellers. In addition, registered brands can activate a series of selling benefits designed to enhance their performance in the Amazon store. Sellers with listing privileges for the brand can activate tools like stores, A+ content, and sponsored brands, which enhance the brand's Amazon footprint and help advertise the brand and its products. Sellers internal to the brand can also use tools in the brand section of the main menu in Seller Central. That includes Amazon Brand Analytics, which helps brands better understand their performance in the Amazon store. Beyond the tools provided by Amazon, registered brands enjoy intellectual property or IP rights and protections as the legally recognized provider of their products. The rights owner for the brand secures these rights in each country where they obtain a trademark for their brand name or logo. Brand Registry also provides registered brands with additional automated protections, programs, and reporting options. Note that a product owner who enrolls a brand doesn't have to sell in the Amazon store. If they prefer, they can complete the enrollment process to submit and confirm their IP rights with Brand Registry, then extend listing privileges and the eligibility to activate selling benefits and protection tools to others. Product owners who choose not to sell with Amazon maintain all IP rights to their brand name or logo. If a product owner hasn't met all the requirements to register their brand with Amazon, they may be able to sell in the Amazon store by requesting use of an unregistered brand. An unregistered brand still has to have a brand name or a logo that includes their brand name permanently affixed to their products or packaging. But they aren't enrolled in and approved by Brand Registry, often because the product owner doesn't have the necessary trademark certificate or pending trademark application or registration. A product owner can request to sell products in the Amazon store using an unregistered brand by obtaining an exemption to the usual requirements outlined in the Amazon brand name policy. They're prompted to do so the first time they try to create a new listing using their unregistered brand name. They receive Amazon's error code 5665 in this scenario. That error code includes a link to a selling application for catalog authorization, which they can use to submit information and images related to their branded product. That submission acts as their request to list the product and future products using their unregistered brand. Note that if an unregistered brand name is used as a brand name value for a product listing, that listing can only be associated with a registered brand later with help from seller support. A brand that originally lists products using an unregistered brand name and then enrolls in Brand Registry should contact seller support to sync their newly registered brand name with their existing listings. Because listing products using an unregistered brand is an exception to Amazon's general policy, it doesn't give sellers the same control over product detail pages enjoyed by registered brands. Sellers using unregistered brands also can't activate the same set of selling benefits for promoting products and analyzing brand performance. So we encourage the owners of branded products to complete the trademark process and enroll in Brand Registry whenever possible. If you'd like help with trademark registration, we encourage you to explore Amazon's IP Accelerator program. This curated and filterable list of trusted IP law firms is available through the Service Provider Network in Seller Central and can help brands connect with high-quality trademark registration services offered at competitive prices. IP Accelerator can also help brands enroll in Brand Registry faster. Instead of waiting for their trademark to officially issue, they can enroll with the pending trademark application they secure through the program. For more information about the program, see our Seller University video, Register a Trademark through IP Accelerator, or get started by visiting brandservices.amazon.com/IP Accelerator. Finally, if a seller owns their products but hasn't affixed a permanent brand name or logo to them or their packaging, they may be able to sell generically in the Amazon store. Because generic products don't have a brand name or logo permanently affixed to them, they can't be associated with a trademark or brand enrolled in Brand Registry. But they can be sold in the Amazon store without a brand name. Instead of entering a brand name while creating a new listing, generic product owners can select or enter generic as the brand name value. When adding a generic product to the Amazon store, make sure you also confirm that it's genuinely new and not a copy of a product with an existing Amazon listing. Note that after generic is used as a brand name value for a product listing, it can't be updated. To associate a brand name with a product after it's been listed as generic, you need to delete your listing and create a new one. Note too that product detail pages for generic products can be updated using suggestions from the product owner as well as other sellers who match offers to the listing. In addition, generic product owners can't activate the selling benefits and protection tools available to registered brands. This concludes our video. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store!